In this video, I'll be going over how to subtract integers using a number line. When we subtract positive numbers, we're going toward the left of a number line, whereas subtracting negative numbers, we're going toward the right. And subtracting positive numbers means that we're decreasing the value. That's why it's going left. And when we're subtracting a negative value, it means that we have a double negative, so we're actually increasing the number. Below are 4 examples, and we'll go over each one. For the first example, we have 4 minus 8. We'll start with 4, so we will place the point at 4. Then we're minusing by 8. Since we're subtracting a positive number, therefore we're going left. And so we're gonna go 8 spaces to the left. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will end up at -4. And that would be our answer for the first one. And notice how when we're subtracting a positive number, we're going toward left. And that means that we're decreasing the value. Now for the second example, we have a -2 minus -5. So here we have an expression that is subtracting a negative number. So it's a double negative, as you can see here. So -2 minus -5 means that it's a +5. So we're adding 5, which means that we're heading toward the right direction. So we'll start out with -2, and we're gonna go 5 spaces to the right. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll end up at 3. So 3 would be the answer for this expression. Now for the third example, we have -1 minus 3. Now this is subtracting a positive number, so we'll be going toward left. And starting point is -1. And we'll go 3 spaces to the left. So that's 1, 2, 3. And the answer is -4. Now for the fourth example, we are subtracting a negative number. So -4 minus -7. So again, we have a -4, double negative equals +7. And that means we're going to be heading this direction, toward the right, as we are increasing the value. So starting point is -4. We're going to go 7 spaces to the right. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And our answer is 3. So these 4 examples are how you will subtract integers using a number line. When you're subtracting positive numbers, you're decreasing the value, and the direction you're going is toward the left. So when you decrease value, you're going left. And when you are subtracting a negative number, which is double negative, it becomes positive, and you're going toward the right direction. Hopefully this video is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.